Good morning. Actually, good afternoon. Ryan is currently trying to install his bag setup. Unfortunately, Adam and I only made it now. It is currently 2:47. It was a whole process. I had some chores to do this morning, so I didn't immediately come. I went to pick up Adam and then came over here. And then we had to go to AutoZone to go get some stuff for Ryan. And we also had to go to Home Depot. And once we got to Home Depot, Adam realized that he forgot the bags at AutoZone. So we had to go back to AutoZone, then go back to Home Depot. And Home Depot didn't even have anything that we needed. So we just came back here and we finally ate for the first time all day. Let's see how this goes.
I can always fix this later on.
What happened?
I forgot to plug the controller in, which in turn, I almost forgot to wire the controller. It's gonna work. Dropping in PSI, which is not good. It means this bag has a leak, that bag has a leak, and that bag has a leak. No air? Air it out. No air in the bags. Now look at that bag. I'm gonna just fill that one bag. That's a lot of air. Well, boom. The thing with the switch is that I could do everything. So I can do, I know.
Hello?
Yeah, this place they do tests on the alarms. I could do both front bags. So both front bags at the same time. I could do one bag. No. I could do the other bag. No. And the same thing with the rear. I could do both. I could do one individual. And cool thing is that even better, look, let's say if I want all the struts up, I can press this button, it'll lift up all of them. Boom. There you go.
No one can see his ass but me. Hello? So what did you have to fix on the car? What are the updates? What's going on?
Fitment. I got the rear camber arms in. So now it actually tucks, and I also took the bump stops out, as you can see, compared to the last video. It actually tucks it now. So it's just fitment. Fitment, and that's it, really. Alignment's good.
Nice. And now it's pretty.